Hello, my name's Nick Woods from NetApp, and I'm an account director responsible for enterprise customers here in the UK. Today, I'll be discussing how NetApp is in the perfect position to help you with your digital transformations, public cloud adoption, and cost optimization, helping you with your hybrid multi-cloud management. Companies are now realizing that to ensure their competitiveness, survival, and growth, not only accessing their data, but obtaining insights from their data is also the key. Data after your employees is your most precious asset. Essentially, every company now needs to be an application provider in this new digital world. To gauge whether you as a company are digital, I ask the following three questions. Do you have an app that's downloadable for an app store? Do you have a digital product? And importantly, are you gaining insights from your data? Digital success does require a data-centric approach. The rate of change and adoption of that data-centric approach, however, is different depending on the industry, which we'll see on the next chart. On the left, if you're not digital, then you're effectively dead in the water or playing significant catch-up. Look what happened to Kodak and Blockbuster, for example. Where you've heard of the typical examples of Airbnb and Uber's success in the world being the largest hotel and taxi company in the world without owning any assets. But there are also newer recent examples and entrants such as the challenger bank Starling Bank, for example, who don't have any branches and run their bank completely out of AWS, for example. In the middle, we have retail, who are having to deal with a massive technical debt, but the likes of Walmart have transformed their entire supply chain with AI and modern GPU technology, allowing them to complete their stock replenishment calculations in hours and minutes, which previously took days. Something now that allows them to respond much quicker to emergencies and low stocking levels, adapting to changing requirements based on changes in the weather, for example. All this whilst making efficiency gains on the accuracy of their stocking levels and speed of resupply, which immediately impacts their bottom line. Sainsbury's here in the UK, we believe, was the best supermarket able to adapt to the feed the nation requirements during the COVID pandemic, which actually accelerated their digital transformation, making more effective use of cloud. Something that would not have been possible if they were purely an on-premises organisation. A further retail example is the use of augmented reality. An example of this is where Natuzzi, for example, the Italian furniture retailer, improved their customer experience while simultaneously reducing their store real estate requirements by 50% through the use of augmented reality, saving them millions of euros. And on the right, we now see digital transformation and changes in the workforce also, with smart devices in the hands of service representatives and AI optimizing delivery and service appointments, routing, for example, streamlining process and improving customer service. With NetApp, you'll see that we can support all these initiatives, no matter where you are on the transformation journey. For digital transformation to be a reality, IT transformation is the enabler and foundation. Before, where IT was considered a cost center and a drain on a company's resources, now a modern transformed IT division is the foundation that fuels the company's digital and transformation and business transformation. Speed, most definitely, is the new scale, allowing companies to adapt quickly to changing and more demanding markets. And where companies need to evolve from a data-centric approach to a data fabric approach, following a hybrid multi-cloud strategy is becoming the new norm, providing the best of both worlds, the elasticity of the cloud with known costs of on-premises. Again, with NetApp, I'll show you how we help our customers move from data centers to data fabrics, enabling this hybrid multi-cloud operating model with mature technology delivering results now. It's clear from many analysts that the optimal model to support your business is to adopt a hybrid multi-cloud approach, which provides the best of both worlds I mentioned previously. Agility and elasticity of the public cloud, and depending on your data characteristics and application requirements, sometimes on-premises still remains the best choice. Based on Flexera's State of the Cloud 2020 report, 93% of enterprises have a multi-cloud strategy, utilizing on average 2.2 public and private clouds each. Looking at Flexera's report a little closer, where they interviewed 750 enterprise cloud decision makers or users, they discovered that Not only do 93% of enterprises have a multi-cloud strategy, but also 87% of enterprises have a hybrid cloud strategy. On average, using 2.2 private and public clouds, with these customers' top challenges being security, spend, and governance. Considering these widely experienced problems, only 33% of these enterprises have a multi-cloud management tool. I'll show you how NetApp can resolve this. Speaking of IT transformation journeys, NetApp ourselves was founded in 1992 as a Silicon Valley startup, with Dave Hitz, Michael Malcolm, and James Lau being our three founding fathers. Initially focusing on file data storage in the early 90s and being very successful leading the industry in that, today we're a $9 billion market capital company, profitable and a safe company to be doing business with in a volatile and rapidly changing world. We're now 5 years into our company's transformation. We've cloud-enabled all of our products and solutions. This is where NetApp supports your transformations, being the world's leading data authority for hybrid multi-cloud data management with what we call the data fabric. Our mantra is, we essentially provide access to your data where you need it, when you need it, seamlessly with the correct attributes, be that security, performance, or governance. With NetApp supporting your data fabric, we'll give you freedom of choice to run your applications and have access to your data anywhere, seamlessly, be that any of the public cloud providers, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, SAP Cloud, IBM Cloud, Alibaba, to name just a few. We'll give you the simplicity of managing your data in the same way, no matter where it is. And we'll give you the necessary protection in a modern world where cyber threats are real. So as I said, we call that the data fabric, and NetApp gives you the tooling and operating model to manage your data effectively, no matter where you need your data, on premises or in any of the public clouds. So NetApp is leading the industry in hybrid multi-cloud data management, having transitioned ourselves to a multi-hybrid cloud data management company. The secret sauce is our data management operating system, ONTAP, which provides seamless management no matter where your data needs to be that at the edge, in the private core data centers, or in the public cloud, moving you and giving you the ability to carry out all these functions across your entire organization. Moving from left to right on this chart, from discovery as to what you actually have and need to get better control of, ensuring your data management is seamlessly integrated across your entire organization and enterprise. The ability to automate as many tasks as possible, from provisioning at the very beginning, right through to cost saving analysis and remedies to provide better cost saving and optimizations in operation. And optimizing that environment to ensure that those cost efficiencies are the best you can possibly get across all of your resources. Whilst protecting your environment and specifically your data to ensure you're able to recover from any situation, be that manual error or external threat. Whilst also ensuring your data is secure at all times, be that at its destination or whilst it's in transit through secure encryption. However, as a company, we still do innovate when it comes to enterprise storage. Currently, we lead the Gartner Magic Quadrant for our world-leading all-flash FAS solution, which, aligned to your and our data fabric strategy, connects seamlessly to any public cloud, providing you with the best options for hybrid cloud data management. What if you could also upgrade your ordinary cloud storage to enterprise-class cloud storage, delivering the best in-cloud application performance? Improve your data availability and recoverability. What if you could connect it directly cloud to cloud, cloud to data center, or any combination of that therein? Enhance your security and compliance posture. Oh, and also reduce your cloud costs by over 50%. Would you be interested in that? I know I would be. So let me show you how. Not only have we cloud-enabled all our products, NetApp has forged the strongest and deepest technical engineering commercial relationships with all the major cloud providers, AWS, Azure, GCP, as I mentioned previously, and IBM Cloud and SAP HANA Cloud and Alibaba, for example. Taking AWS, Azure, and GCP as an example, our technology and intellectual property is embedded in every region and every availability zone. That is totally unique in the industry. Cloud Volumes ONTAP provides seamless access to data and enterprise efficiencies in the cloud, saving some customers up to 96% of cloud storage costs. We have real customer examples available, such as Reach PLC and Ticketmaster here in the UK, enjoying 96% and 66% savings respectively. Cloud Volumes Service and NetApp files, providing the best public cloud performance for mission-critical workloads. The only vendor to be certified to run SAP HANA in the public cloud, both with Azure and GCP. Watch this space for more announcements. Our solutions are available on the public cloud marketplaces, with Cloud Volume Service and Azure NetApp files being a first-party service embedded into Google and Microsoft's own management dashboards, and with the same service available in AWS Marketplace. Azure NetApp Files is the fastest growing Azure solution in Microsoft's history. And these solutions provide you with complete data and cloud flexibility, giving you the efficiencies and cost savings, as I mentioned before, a true win-win, and really giving you freedom of choice to choose any cloud provider dependent upon your requirements. There are many cloud costing and profiling tools available in the market, such as Cloudability, for example. Whilst these provide many beautiful reports showing you where you are spending your money in the cloud, giving you recommendations to optimize, they don't actually make the changes necessary, which are manual and sometimes not completely up to date. With Spot by NetApp, for example, we can help you save over 50% of your cloud compute costs, which combined with up to 96% Cloud Volume ONTAP savings for storage can make an enormous impact to your P&L. Automatically and continuously, with our AI and machine learning continually adapting to give you the best operating model for your cloud computing platforms in real time. We're helping our customers save millions every month. Last month alone, we helped our customers save over $100 million in July alone with Spot by NetApp. Also, with Cloud Volumes ONTAP, we're uniquely able to provide enterprise-class storage performance and efficiencies in any of the public cloud providers for all your workloads, allowing you to extend your enterprise data management into any public cloud, giving you that freedom of choice I mentioned previously, providing you with a data management platform that's 2/3 of enterprises have not yet adopted. Remember, I said only 33% of enterprises have adopted a cloud management platform. With NetApp and the Data Fabric, we give you that management platform, allowing you to manipulate and manage and operate your data no matter where it is, with all of the cost efficiencies that I mentioned earlier. So, with NetApp, we'll ensure you have the best tools to support your business digital transformation, allowing you to realize the true promise of cloud, giving you complete freedom and flexibility of choice, while saving you significant sums on your monthly cloud storage costs and compute costs. There are significantly many other areas we haven't even touched on today, as due to timing of the presentation. NetApp Cloud Jumper, for example, allowing delivery of virtual desktops and applications to a single unified workspace to any cloud, hybrid with any cloud provider or from any device. With Talon Global File Cache, we can ensure your remote office branch offices have seamless access to your enterprise data centrally for the entire globe. With Cloudera, which is now part of Cloud Volume ONTAP, we can ensure you have the correct reporting capabilities to respond to your security and data governance requirements, GDPR, for example, ensuring you know where your customer data is stored, where you have credit card information, providing governance and compliance reporting capabilities, and automatically with AI, providing you with insights into that, into your data management around customer data, for example. Also, with SaaS backup for Office 365 and Salesforce, we can help you provide a solution to the lack of data resiliency that's currently in these SaaS offerings from Microsoft and Salesforce. By the way, priced cheaper than it costs you to back up your iPhone data on a monthly basis per user. As you can see, we are way beyond being just a storage company. Our mantra effectively is, we allow you to manage your data wherever it is, be that private or multi-public cloud, with the enterprise class efficiencies available in all of the hyperscalers. All this with the correct attributes, be that performance, security or compliance, whilst giving you the ability to significantly reduce your monthly costs. We'd love to work with you to deliver a proof of value to really showcase how we could help you improve those cost savings. I'd really like to work with you on that. So in terms of reaching out to me, you can contact me at nick.woods@netapp.com. My mobile number is here. Please reach out, as I do believe we are genuinely best placed to help you in your public cloud journey and hybrid operating model. Thank you very much for listening to me. I really appreciate your time. Take care.